Meaning of forehand.
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 Forehand. Forehand is a term used in sports such as tennis and badminton to describe a type of shot where the player hits the ball with their dominant hand on the same side as the playing arm. The forehand stroke is typically executed with a swinging motion and can produce a lot of power and spin on the ball. This type of shot is often used to initiate an offensive play or to return a ball hit towards the player's dominant side. A well-executed forehand can give the player an advantage in the game.